Good morning. Just waiting for the new washing machine to come in, and this is actually behind the dryer, which I had to move because it's just a small room. So I thought I'd better clean this up before we put the machines back. So I'm just using the Living Glove, strong and medium, and I'm just going to do it quick on the, should maybe get a couple nails. But this vent has always drove me nuts because you can just kind of see it when you come in to the into the laundry room from the stairs. So I thought, you know what, maybe I'll just give this a quick wipe over, and it doesn't take much. This is mostly build-up. This has probably been here 10 years. So some of it's baked on, boiled on, because this is the dryer vent, right? So really picking up a lot of stuff here. So I will post a picture of it done, because I gotta go rinse out this glove. So we'll talk in a few minutes.